I welcome the students of DPS Nigahi.
A very good evening to one and all present over here.
Today, I Vidya Singh Chauhan
And I Al Shabab
and
we are your hosts for today's Nature Quiz competition.
This quiz isn't just about testing knowledge, it's about celebrating the wonders of our environment.
Nature, it isn't around us, it's within us. From the air we breathe to the trees that give us shade, nature is truly the greatest teacher.
Absolutely. But today, we are not just admiring nature, we are going to test how well we know it. Let's see who among our participants are the true nature champions.
Before we begin, give a big hand to all our brilliant participants who have qualified the first round and are present here for the next one. And also welcome our respected judges, teachers who are here to encourage us.
Alright, let's start with round 2, the rapid fire round. In this, each qualifying participant will be asked 5 questions, one after another. Questions must be answered within 20 seconds, plus 2 marks for each correct answer.
Once the question is asked, it will not be repeated. No negative marking for these questions.
So now, let's invite the quiz masters, Harshit sir and Vasundhara ma'am, to begin with this round.
So we'll call upon stage the qualifiers for round 2 for above 12 age category. For below 12 age category, we just have one winner and her name is Sanvi Sandesh Pandey. She's the winner. We'll hand over the certificates later. Okay. So the list of above 12 year students is Vaishnavi Dwivedi, Anil Upadhyay. Are you here, Vaishnavi? Yes, please come forward. Anil Upadhyay, Alok Shah, Vaishnavi Jain, Sanskriti Yadav,
Amit Upadhyay and Vaishnavi Shah.
अच्छा अमित कुमार उपाध्याय है ओके प्लीज कम वैष्णवी झा ओके संस्कृति यादव खुशी सिंह चंदेल आर्यन शाह अंजलि कुशवाहा आशुतोष कुमार शर्मा टोटल 9 स्टूडेंट्स Vaishnavi Dwivedi, please come forward. You are 9, total 9 hai? All are present? Okay. So we'll explain the rules of round 2 and then we'll move ahead.
Each qualifying participant will be asked 5 questions, one after another. Questions must be answered within 20 seconds, plus 2 marks for each correct answer.
Once the question is asked, it will not be repeated and no negative marking for this round.
Hello.
start.
So the first question is which process releases oxygen into the atmosphere? Option A, respiration. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, combustion. Option D, fermentation.
Vaishnavi Dwivedi.
Which process releases oxygen into the atmosphere? Option A, respiration. B, photosynthesis. C, combustion. D, fermentation.
Option B, photosynthesis.
Correct. Next question. The greenhouse effect is mainly caused by which gas? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, argon.
Option C, carbon dioxide.
Correct. Third question. Which biome has the greatest biodiversity? I repeat, which biome has the greatest biodiversity? Option A, desert. Option B, tundra. Option C, tropical rainforest. Option D, grassland.
Tropical green forest.
Correct. Fourth question. Using LED bulbs instead of incandescent bulbs helps to. Option A, save water. Option B, save energy. Option C, reduce soil erosion. Option D, increase sunlight.
Option B, I didn't remember the option B.
Save energy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. Next question. Which element is essential for plant growth but can cause water pollution when overused? Options are sulfur, nitrogen, iron, zinc.
Nitrogen.
Correct. Thank you. Next participant. Amit. So Amit, are you ready? Yeah. So first question is which layer of the atmosphere contains most weather phenomena? Which layer of the atmosphere contains most weather phenomena? A, troposphere. B, stratosphere. C, mesosphere. D, exosphere.
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere. Wrong answer. The correct is troposphere. Next question. Which type of rock can form from both heat and pressure? A, igneous. B, sedimentary. C, metamorphic. And D, basalt.
Option B.
No, wrong answer. The correct is metamorphic. Next question. Reusing water from washed vegetables is called. Option A, rainwater harvesting. Option B, grey water recycling. Option C, composting. Option D, desalination.
Option B.
Grey water recycling is the correct answer. Next question. Which animal is considered a keystone species in the African savanna? Option A, lion. B, elephant. C, zebra. D, hyena.
Can you repeat the
Yeah.
options?
Lion, elephant, zebra, hyena.
Hyena.
No, wrong. Would anyone from the audience like to answer?
Repeat the question.
The question was which animal is considered a keystone species in the African savanna? Options are lion, elephant, zebra, hyena.
Zebra.
Correct. Actually, elephant is the right answer. So next question. What causes ocean acidification? Option A, oil spills. Option B, carbon dioxide absorption. Option C, plastic waste. Yeah, D, overfishing.
Sorry, sir, I forgot.
What causes ocean acidification? Option A, oil spills. B, carbon dioxide absorption. C, plastic waste. D, overfishing.
Plastic waste.
No. Anyone from the audience would like to
First
guess?
option.
No, it's not the correct. The correct answer is carbon dioxide absorption. So I would like to call up the next candidate. Alok. Alok, please come on the stage. Alok, are you ready? So the first question for you is which of these materials is biodegradable? Which of these materials is biodegradable? Paper, plastic, aluminium, Cytropharm. Cytropharm. Paper, plastic, aluminium, cytopharm.
Plastic.
No, plastic is the wrong answer. The question goes to the audience. Paper, yeah, paper is the correct. So the next question is, which forest type is most common in India's Western Ghats? Which forest type is most common in India's Western Ghats? Thorn forest, tropical evergreen, alpine, temperature deciduous. Correct. Tropical evergreen is the correct answer. So the next question is, which part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? Which part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, hypothalamus. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla and hypothalamus. No. Audience? Yes. Cerebellum is the right answer. So, what is the primary reason for coral bleaching? What is the primary reason for coral bleaching? Overfishing, rising sea temperatures, oil spills, eutrophication. Which is the primary reason for coral bleaching? Coral bleaching. Yeah. Overfishing, rising sea temperature, oil spills, eutrophication. Yeah, correct. Rising sea temperature is the right answer. Next, last question for you. Which element is a major component of the Earth's core? Earth's core. Copper, nickel, iron, carbon. Which element is a major component of the Earth's core? Copper, nickel, iron, carbon. Yeah, correct. Iron is the right answer. Thank you. We call up on the stage the next participant. You can go. So Vaishnavi, the first question for you is, the process of converting waste material into reusable materials is called reducing, recycling, landfilling, provisioning.
Recycling.
Yeah, recycling is correct. Second question, which region of Earth receives the most direct sunlight throughout the year? Poles, tropics, temperate zones, tundra. No, equator is not in the options. Poles, tropics, temperate zones and tundra.
Tropics.
Yeah, tropics is the correct answer. Next question, which metal is found in the chlorophyll molecule? Which metal is found in the chlorophyll molecule? Magnesium, iron, copper, zinc. No, copper is the wrong answer. The question goes to the audience.
Magnesium.
Yeah, correct. Magnesium is the right answer. So the next question is, the ozone layer protects Earth from which type of radiation? Infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays.
Ultraviolet.
Yeah, ultraviolet is the correct answer. Now the last question for you is, which type of soil is best for growing jute? Which type of soil is best for growing jute? Option is laterite, alluvial, black or red. Which type of soil is best for growing jute? Laterite, alluvial, black or red? Yeah, alluvial is the correct answer. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon the stage the next participant, Sanskriti Yadav. So Sanskriti, the first question for you is, using old newspaper to wrap a gift is an example of recycling, reducing, reusing or recreating.
Reusing.
Yeah, correct. Reusing is the correct answer. What is the term for the variety of life on Earth? Ecology, biodiversity, evolution or biogeography?
Biodiversity.
Oh, biodiversity is the wrong answer. Anyone from the audience? Options are ecology, biodiversity, evolution and biogeography. Yeah, ecology is the correct answer. So the next question is, which type of plant has no true roots, stems or leaves? Which type of plant has no true roots, stems or leaves? Moss, fern, algae, cactus.
Algae.
Yeah, algae is the correct answer. Next question. What is the main role of decomposers in an ecosystem? Consume plants, produce oxygen, break down dead matter or filter water?
Break down dead matters.
Correct. Which element is found in all organic compounds? Oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen.
Carbon.
Carbon is the correct answer. Thank you. I would like to call up Khushi Singh.
So the first question for you, Khushi, is turning kitchen waste into biogas is an example of. Turning kitchen waste into biogas is an example of first, energy consumption, renewable energy use, fossil fuel use or conservation.
Conservation.
That's incorrect. Audience? Yes, correct. Which process involves wind and water removing the top layer of soil? I repeat, which process involves wind and water removing the top layer of soil? Deposition, erosion, leaching or sedimentation? No, that's incorrect. Erosion, correct. What is the name of the natural region known as the cold desert of India? What is the name of the natural region known as the cold desert of India? Thar, Ladakh, Spiti Valley or Kutch? That's incorrect. Audience? Yes. Audience बहुत intelligent है मेरी. Which mineral is extracted from bauxite ore? Which mineral is extracted from bauxite ore? Iron, aluminium, copper or lead? Iron, aluminium, copper or lead? That's right, aluminium. What is the main cause of the depletion of natural forests? What is the main cause of the depletion of natural forests? Reforestation, urbanization, rainfall or volcanic eruptions? B. Urbanization is the correct answer. Thank you so much, Khushi. The next participant, Aryan Shah. Please come forward. Aryan Shah. So the first question for you, Aryan, is which natural phenomenon causes the northern lights? Which natural phenomenon causes the northern lights? Reflection of sunlight, solar wind interacting with the atmosphere, Earth's rotation or lightning?
Option C.
C, Earth's rotation? No, that's not correct. Audience? B. Yes, that's correct. Solar wind interacting with the atmosphere. What is the primary component of natural gas? What is the primary component of natural gas? Propane, butane, methane or ethane?
B.
B, butane? No, that's incorrect. Audience? Correct. Which process converts dead plants into coal over millions of years? Fossilization, compression, carbonization or sedimentation?
Option A.
Fossilization? No, that's not correct. Option? C? Carbonization?
What is the question?
Which process converts dead plants into coal over millions of years?
Carbonization.
Yes, very simple. Which of these is an example of biodegradable waste? Glass bottle, orange peel, metal can or polythene? Which of these is an example of biodegradable waste? Glass bottle, orange peel, metal can or polythene? बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट कौन सा है इन पांचों चारों में से? डी, पॉलिथीन. पॉलिथीन इज बायोडिग्रेडेबल.
Option C.
ग्लास बॉटल, ऑरेंज पील, मेटल कैन, पॉलिथीन. आई वोंट गिव दिस पॉइंट टू यू. को नहीं दीजिएगा ना, ये तो ऑडियंस ने प्रॉम्प्ट भी कर दिया, उन्होंने बहुत लेट आंसर दिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू कॉल एन एरिया वेयर फ्रेश वाटर एंड सॉल्ट वाटर मीट? व्हाट डू यू कॉल एन एरिया वेयर फ्रेश वाटर एंड सॉल्ट वाटर मीट? लगून, डेल्टा, एस्टुअरी और रीफ. लगून, डेल्टा, एस्टुअरी और रीफ.
Option C.
Okay, that's correct. So I call upon my, thank you Aryan. I'll call upon Anjali Kushwaha, our second last participant. So the first question for you Anjali is, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide, methane, oxygen or water vapor? Right. Oxygen is the correct answer. What is the process by which plants lose water through leaves? What is the process by which plants lose water through leaves? Condensation, transpiration, perspiration or respiration?
Transpiration.
Perfect. Transpiration is the correct answer. What is the process of protecting and managing natural resources called? What is the process of protecting and managing natural resources called? Conservation, construction, creation or soil erosion?
Conservation.
Correct. Which layer of the soil contains the most nutrients and organic matter? Which layer of soil contains the most nutrients and organic matter? Options are bedrock, subsoil, topsoil or parent rock. Option C, topsoil is the correct answer. Which natural resource is extracted from petroleum? Options are coal, natural gas, kerosene or uranium. Perfect. Kerosene is the correct answer. Thank you so much Anjali. I'll call upon my next participant Ashutosh.
So Ashutosh, the first question for you is, what is the term for a group of ecosystems with similar climate and organisms? Biosphere, habitat, biome or community?
Biosphere.
Biosphere is the wrong answer. Audience? Kya? Question is, what is the term for a group of ecosystems with similar climate and organisms? Biosphere, habitat, biome or community? No, biome is the right answer. The next question, which is the lightest and most abundant element in the universe? Oxygen, carbon, nitrogen or hydrogen? Oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Yeah, hydrogen is the right answer. Which of these can help reduce soil erosion? Deforestation, overgrazing, afforestation, mining.
Afforestation.
Correct. Afforestation is the right answer. Next, what is the scientific study of birds called? Entomology, ornithology, zoology or ecology?
Zoology.
No, zoology is the wrong answer. Anyone from the audience? Ornithology. Yeah, correct. Ornithology is the right answer. Next and the last question for you is, which type of climate is found in deserts? Humid, arid, temperate or polar? Which type of climate is found in deserts? Humid, arid, temperate or polar?
Temperate.
No, temperate is the wrong answer. Audience? Arid, yeah, correct. Arid is the right answer. So thank you.
Alright everyone, it's time for something exciting and different.
Yes, welcome to round 3, the show of hands round.
This round is all about thinking, awareness and confidence.
We will be asking fun and interesting questions related to nature and environment. Now, let me explain the rules. A total of 10 questions will be asked to all the finalists.
The first participant to press the buzzer gets the chance to answer. +2 marks for a correct answer and -1 for a wrong. The question will be passed to the participants on the right.
Participants must raise hands only after the question is completed. Early hand raise may be disqualified for that question.
In case of a tie, a sudden death question will be asked and that will decide the winner. Now to begin this round, let's invite respected Vasundhara ma'am and Harshit sir.
So the qualifiers for the round 3 are Vaishnavi Dwivedi, please come ahead. Anjali Kushwaha, Vaishnavi Jha, and Sanskriti Yadav. Wow, we have girl power. So did you get the rules? You understood? You don't want me to repeat the rules, right? Okay. So let's start with the first question. You need to raise your hands and then answer. There are no options in this round. We need the answers from you only. We'll just ask the question and you will answer. And there is negative marking. I hope you got it. Okay, so let's start. Judges, you are ready? Let's start. You need to see who raises the hand first. I need all my audience also to be vigilant. In case of confusion, I'll resort to you. Which gas is primarily responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer?
Sulfur dioxide.
You don't have to mention a particular gas, you have to mention the category of gases. Yeah, category of gases. Like, what does sulfur dioxide fall under?
My name is Vaishnavi Dwivedi.
Anjali Kushwaha. I am Vaishnavi Jha.
I am Sanskriti Yadav.
So the correct answer was CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. These are generally generated by refrigerator or air conditioners.
So there will be a minus marking for because she raised the hands and others did not. Okay? So the next question is, which of the following is an example of a non-biodegradable waste? I'll give options in this. Paper, glass, wood, cotton. Sanskriti. Correct. Correct. What does a seismograph measure?
Earthquake.
Correct. Earthquake intensity. It measures earthquake intensity. The next question is, which type of soil sorry. Which type of rock contains fossils?
Metamorphic rock.
No. No. Which type of rock contains fossils? Who is raising the hand? You have to raise the hand and then answer me. Pass? Okay. Audience, anybody knows? Which type of rock contains fossils? Sedimentary rock. Correct. Sedimentary rocks. Correct. The next question is, which country in the world has the largest forest area? Kriti? No, it's not correct. Brazil is not correct. आपको कौन रेस कर रहा है उसके अलावा हाथ? जो हैंड रेस करेगा मैं उसको चांस दूंगी. आपने हैंड रेस किया? That's also incorrect. Audience? Africa. No. दोनों का
So the correct answer is Russia.
Yes, tell me. Plus 2 minus 1. The next question is, what causes acid rain?
Sulfur dioxide gas.
Correct. What is the process of converting waste into usable energy?
Waste material to usable recycling.
Correct. Who was the second one? Yellow. Anybody of you want to attempt this? You can raise the hand and attempt. No? Anybody from the audience? Incineration. Minus. You can raise the hand. Anybody? Incineration. It's bioconversion. Three more questions. What is the term for animals that live in trees? तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, छोटे बच्चों को आता है, आप लोग को आता होगा, सोचिए तुरंत. What is the term for animals that live in trees? No? No? Yes? Perfect. Well done. Arboreal animals. मेरी बेटी 3rd क्लास में थी तो मैंने उसको पढ़ाया था arboreal, इसलिए मुझे भी याद है ये. Which is the main renewable substitute for coal-based electricity?
Wind energy or hydro energy.
You have to choose one.
Wind energy.
Incorrect. The second one was correct. Hydro energy. Now the last question for this quiz, and this will decide who is the winner. Which ocean is the saltiest?
Dead Sea.
पूछा था मैंने. Question पूछा था. Anybody of you want to attempt? Now judges, you have to decide what is to be done. Oh, अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन और करूं? ओके इस क्वेश्चन का पॉइंट्स किसी को देना है? चल फाइनल क्वेश्चन है ये, ठीक है? Which human organ filters toxins from the blood?
Kidney.
You are raising your
Heart.
purifies the blood. तीनों का माइनस वन कर ऑडियंस बताओ तो बहुत सिंपल है स्किन लीवर कहाँ क्यों बैठे हो तुम लोग को यहाँ आना चाहिए था thank you so much so now I hand over the stage for the conclusion of this activity and then we'll start our next activity which is meet and greet author. I thank you all. You may leave. Thank you so much. All the participants may leave. Thank you so much. Please be seated. We'll announce the results shortly.
That was a fantastic round, so full of energy and enthusiasm.
Yes, it's great to see everyone so involved. Let's give a big round of applause for all the participants.
Let's continue to love, respect and protect nature.
Because when we care for nature, nature cares for us. Thank you everyone.